Bonjour tout le monde, j'espère que vous allez bien. I hope that you are doing well. This is Deep from French with Deep. Today we are going to discuss the connectors that we use in the writing of the TEF Canada exam or in any composition in the French language. So to start a paragraph, that is a body paragraph, we use pour commencer, and to add a paragraph in the same manner, that is on the same side of the argument, we use ensuite. And finally, to conclude, we use, that is not conclusion, generally to add the third paragraph in the same line, we say finalement. Now to represent, now to mention the other side or the contrary side, we use toutefois. We also use cependant. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share French with Deep.